A is for Walter and the Hercule, it conquers rugged trails. V is for bus, it carries crowds and never fails. C is for car, it's great for cruising around. D is for digger, it digs deep into the ground.
E is for electric scooter, it's quiet and eco-friendly. F is for ferry, it crosses rivers and seas with glee. G is for garbage truck, it keeps the streets so clean. H is for hovercraft, gliding over water like a dream.
A is for ice cream cart, bringing sweet treats away. J is for jetpack, flying high through the day. K is for cart, racing on a speedy track. L is for lift, raising loads with no lack.
M is for moped, zipping through the city fast. N is for naval ship, protecting seas that are vast. O is for off-road car, built to explore rough ground.
P is for plane, soaring high with the jet sound.
Q is for quad bike, perfect for trails and fun. R is for rickshaw, powered by pedals or engines that run. S is for snow plow, clearing snowy streets with ease. T is for tank, rolling strong, built to seize.
U is for utility truck, carrying tools for the crew. V is for van, delivering goods to me and you. W is for wagon, pulled along to carry the load. X is for X-wing plane, zoom in futuristic mode.
Y is for yacht, sailing the seas in style. Z is for Zeppelin, floating gently over miles.